Tempra Plus water heaters. To troubleshoot a Tempra Plus water heater, first check for error codes on the display. Reset the unit if necessary. Tempra Plus water heaters are renowned for their efficiency and reliability. Despite their robustness, occasional issues may arise that require troubleshooting. Common problems include temperature fluctuations, error codes, and low water pressure. Addressing these issues promptly ensures the unit operates smoothly. Start by checking the digital display for any error codes, which provide clues to the malfunction. Resetting the unit often resolves minor glitches. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the inlet filter and inspecting electrical connections, helps prevent future problems. Proper troubleshooting extends the heater's lifespan and maintains optimal performance. Tempra Plus water heaters' common issues. The Tempra Plus water heater is known for its efficiency and reliability. But like any appliance, it can face issues. Below are some common problems users might encounter. 1. No hot water. 2. Fluctuating temperature. Tempra Plus water heaters, initial checks. If your Tempra Plus water heater is not working, start with some initial checks. These steps help identify simple problems that can be fixed easily. 1. Power supply. 2. Circuit breaker. Tempra Plus water heaters. Resetting the heater. Experiencing issues with your Tempra Plus water heater? Sometimes a simple reset can solve many problems. This guide will walk you through the process of resetting your heater. 1. Reset button location. 2. Steps to reset Tempra Plus water heaters. Water flow problems. Experiencing water flow problems with your Tempra Plus water heater can be frustrating. Understanding the common issues can help you troubleshoot effectively. Below, we explore two primary causes: low pressure and clogged filters. 1. Low pressure. 2. Clogged filters. Tempra Plus water heaters. Temperature settings. Understanding the temperature settings on your Tempra Plus water heater is essential. It ensures your water is always at the perfect temperature. This guide will help you adjust and recommend the best settings. 1. Adjusting the thermostat. 2. Recommended settings. Tempra Plus water heaters, error codes. Dealing with error codes on your Tempra Plus water heater can be frustrating. These codes are essential for diagnosing and fixing issues. Understanding what each error code means will save you time and effort. 1. Common codes. 2. Troubleshooting. Each code. Tempra Plus water heaters maintenance tips. Keeping your Tempra Plus water heater in top condition is essential. Regular maintenance ensures efficiency and longevity. Follow these tips for optimal performance and safety. 1. Regular cleaning. 2. Annual inspections. Tempra Plus water heaters. When to call a professional. Handling minor issues with your Tempra Plus water heater can be simple, but sometimes you need to call a professional. Knowing when to make that call is crucial. This section will guide you through the signs and steps to find a technician. 1. Signs of major issues. 2. Finding a technician. Frequently asked questions about Tempra Plus water heaters. How do I reset my Tempra Plus water heater? To reset, press the reset button on the unit's control panel. Why is my Tempra Plus water heater not heating? Check for tripped circuit breakers or blown fuses. Inspect the heating elements for damage. What does the error code E1 mean? Error code E1 indicates a flow sensor issue. Ensure proper water flow and clean the sensor. How often should I service my water heater? Service your Tempra Plus water heater annually to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Can I install a Tempra Plus water heater myself? Professional installation is recommended to ensure safety and proper operation. Conclusion about Tempra Plus water heaters. Troubleshooting your Tempra Plus water heater can be simple with the right guidance. Follow the steps outlined to ensure optimal performance. Regular maintenance can prevent issues and extend your heater's life. Enjoy a consistent hot water supply by addressing problems promptly.
Hope this video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video.